Okay, so I had to end the time lapse there because it was getting a little dangerous and we had to get away from the windows and go downstairs to our little closet under the stairs just in case. There was actually an F1 tornado that did touch down in San Antonio that night. As you can see, the house is still here. It's sunny and shining outside right now. But yeah, guys, I did actually vlog the whole thing, and that video will be up later on this week. So if you want to see what we were doing to like deal with this like freaking tornado warning, then you guys can go check out the vlog. That will be up later this week. If you guys like, time lapses like these, then I'll definitely make more. I'll have another one up next week. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. As always, guys, never stop dreaming. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.